This ain't fiction. This ain't mythology. This ain't religion. This is reality. Across every corner of the planet, before Bibles, before Qurans, before cathedrals, the image of God looked like you, black man. Not a ghost in the sky, but a living presence in the cipher. This is not a call to believe. This is the show and prove. Because the original man, first to walk the planet, first to build, first to think, first to speak, is the supreme being. This is the foundation, supreme mathematics, supreme alphabet, 12 jewels of Islam, the 120 lessons. All of them lead to one declaration. The black man is God, but we don't just say it, we build on it. Einstein said E, MC2. Energy and matter are one, interchangeable. But what did he leave out? Mind. The black man is the bridge between energy and matter, the intelligence behind the motion. This body, it's more than biology. It's an encoded reflection of the pineal gland, the solar plexus, the brain. They mirror the heavens. Because the heavens are but no cipher is complete without the black woman, wisdom, equality, she the light, she the cipher. She ain't God. She's the foundation God builds on. The 24 scientists, that ain't fairy tale. That's the original cosmic council. Setting stars in motion, writing the laws of balance, creating reality. Cut to the 1930s in Detroit. Footage of Master Fard Muhammad, Elijah Muhammad. Then a sharp transition to Clarence 13X, Father Allah, in Harlem, building with the youth. Then came the reminder. W.D. Fard Muhammad. He taught Elijah. Elijah gave the structure. But it was Father Allah, Clarence 13X, who tore off the veil. He said, "Stop searching the sky. Look in the mirror. Because God is not a spook. God is man." Cut to science labs, genetic diagrams, ancient African math systems, modern particle physics. Supreme math overlays each image. We break it down like this. Quantum physics confirms that the observer collapses the wave. Consciousness creates matter. Melanin conducts light and sound. The pineal gland absorbs cosmic rhythm. DNA remembers 400,000 years of data. So what is divinity? It's not found in dogma. It's built in your design. They turned the face of God white, made God a mystery, made you bow, made you worship. But we don't bow. We stand up. This is not religion. This is mathematics. This is the science of self. Every chapter in The Black Man is God. The show and prove builds on one truth. You don't need to worship. You need to master. This is a return to the cipher, a return to clarity, a return to power. We don't walk in darkness anymore. We walk with the sun in our stride, the stars in our sight, and the mind of God in motion. The Black Man is God. The show and prove by born power. Available now. This ain't religion. This is reality. Peace to the gods and the earths.